As you would have guessed, looking at this view, that's Space Needle, and I stay in Seattle. My place has this insane view where I can literally see the Space Needle from my window. But what really fascinates me is all the planes that fly over the sky, which I get a view of every day. And I've always wondered where these planes are going, what airline is it? Is it heading to Tokyo or is it just going to Portland? So this weekend, I turned my curiosity into something meaningful.
I built a little Python script that I'm calling the Flight Whisperer. It watches the airspace above me in real time using a live flight API. And the moment a plane enters my sky, it pings me on WhatsApp the flight number, altitude, speed, which direction it's heading. So let's run it in real time. And what also happens in the background is that I use OpenAI to generate a random quirky fact about that flight. It could be about the airline, the origin, the country, or just something that's wild about flying at 35,000 feet. You can see I have got notifications on WhatsApp from Twilio about three flights that just recently crossed the skies above me. The whole thing runs in the background. It costs me basically nothing. And now, every time a plane is flying overhead, I know exactly what it is, even before I have looked it up on the internet. A tiny little project, but honestly, it was fun making this and one of the favorite things that I've built in the recent few days.